this is our breaker point assembly, and the vacuum advance would actually move this, so we want to be sure to weld this too. I don't think it matters where you weld it at, whether you weld it in this position, or anywhere, but you do want to put a weld in, somewhere right in here and somewhere over here. Be careful not, this is probably a bad spot because that's where your plate assembly fits. So probably in here would be a better spot, maybe right there. Put a little tack on each of those so that doesn't move. And here we've got the breaker point assembly, or the advanced weights are already welded here. The springs are out just because I forgot, and I actually pulled on this piece, it lifts out, and then your springs go unhooked. So no big deal because you're gonna weld it solid anyway, the springs aren't used, so no worries. But that's what a welded one would look like. Pretty simple task, but you do have to take everything all apart. And then you also have to regrind your rotor. Your rotor is going to be too long in the area down in here. It's going to hit onto our, magnetic pickup. Actually, the rotor that fits on top. So you're going to have to grind away about even with here. Otherwise, it's not going to fit. So those are a couple little points on putting a pointless setup and welding the weights.